So today we are putting a radiator in a 2005 Subaru Outback, the non-turbo 2.5 liter. However, this radiator is from a Subaru Forester. So this radiator I think fits in a 2008 to 2013 Subaru Forester and a Subaru Impreza, but this is for the turbocharged version of the Subarus, but it's the same. The only difference is this little plug right here. You can just cap it off. As you see, it will work just fine, but the fans and everything else fits perfectly.
It's on there perfectly.
Yeah, it's all the same. So you go about taking these 10 bolts out, take the radiator hose off with the clamp. There's another one down there. Mine is a manual, so I don't have to worry about transmission lines. Then you get these two 12 bolts right here, pop these off, and then it's a very simple job. Then you can rig your radiator loose. Like that. Okay. We have your radiator out. Now let's see if this one will actually go in. It will.
Very confident.
Pop these caps off. So this is.
So what are those? What you just took off?
Those are just the radiator caps. They just stop random dust and stuff from going in. So you line up your mounts for your radiator. Some little bushings down there. Oh shit. Almost scared me. Yep.
It fits perfectly.
It fits perfectly. We put these back on. Wrong way. There we go. So this radiator is from a 2008-2013 Subaru Impreza. Fits the same exact fit for a 2005 to 2013 Subaru Outback or Legacy non-turbo. I did this because it's a dual core. This is the only way I could find a dual core radiator, and the only difference is this. Everything else lines back up. This is your bottom radiator hose down here. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
So you just bolted the tops. What about, you said there's some more bolts? Oh, okay. Maybe you gotta come up from the bottom?
Yeah, it did fall out. I guess there we go. That's one way to do it.